Did I stop?
And also, the Watchtower Bible and Tract Society of
In
New
France,
York is
man drove over
being
a
investigated.
20-ton
I'm
truck.
talking here, sir. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
The Watchtower
Invitation
Bible
has
and
been
Tract
revoked.
Society of New York is being
Sir, you have to
investigated
leave.
for their child abuse policies. They require a two-witness rule that does not protect children properly. And what we can do is we
Sir,
can
you
do
have
our
to leave.
research on
Your public invitation
jwfacts.com.
has been revoked
Okay.
at this point, and we ask you to leave at this time.
All right, I'll leave it.
No, right now, sir.
Oh, okay. So we can all go online
Sir.
and we can learn all
Sir.
we can.
We're asking you very
Because-
nicely at this time to leave.
These rules do not properly safeguard our children. And then they're allowed, you move elders around, such as
we are
Candace Conti from California, her abuser.
We are asking you to leave at this time.
Okay.
Your invitation publicly has
Okay.
been revoked at this point. We ask you to leave.
So please Google all you can about this organization.
Please
Can
leave
you
at
turn
this
this
time,
mic
sir.
back on?
No,
They
we will
can't
not
hear me
do-
in the back.
We will not do that, sir.
You will not do that? All right.
You're not afforded a forum here. Please leave at this time.
All right. I'm out of here. You guys have a good day. I encourage everybody to enjoy your meeting.
Let me ask you, who are you?
My name is Kevin Bunker.
I just want to ask you,
My name is Kevin Bunker. I'm a concerned Jehovah's Witness. I was raised
you
Jehovah's
are
Witness.
Jehovah's Witness.
I was raised a Jehovah's Witness, and my family shuns me now. And they don't know about the two-witness rule that doesn't allow children to be protected in this organization.
Sir, we
And so
appreciate-
that's
we
why I'm
appreciate your
doing
time,
this
so
today.
please
That's
leave.
why I'm. Probably that guy did it
Your-
as well,
your
because
invitation.
this is a really disgusting way to handle child abuse, and nobody's doing anything about it. The police are nowadays, the governments,
Sir, we've
the
asked you to
Australia
leave.
Royal
Please leave.
Commission.
This way out, sir.
They're learning all
This
they can.
way out.
So please Google all
This
you
way
can,
out.
folks.
Keep moving, please.
I encourage you
Keep
to
moving. You're not-
learn all you
you're
can
not
so that
welcome
you
here
can maybe
anymore.
escape this cult and not let that poor little child be harmed. Have a beautiful day, sir. Please do your research, folks.